Hi again. I'm sorry, the video had a problem. So let's keep on. We said here we have an auger, and we are going to make this part as a sheet metal. So like when I think about it, I have two sides. Each side shall start like, for example, this. The right side will start from here up to here, and the left side shall start from here up to there. So I need to make one, and that's enough. So, okay, first let's make this and this vertical. No matter what, don't fail me out. Okay, this one here, this one here, this one. Okay, it's over defined. Let's delete this one. Stop trimming. Okay. And because we have two symmetrical sides, so it's enough to draw one. I have drawn the both sides at the first because I needed to see how my shape should look like. Okay, so this one here, as we have mentioned, is 35 centimeters. Okay, here I will make an extension for this about 4 centimeters. I think it's enough. Why? Because first it makes it stronger, and second because it's a sheet metal. When you have an end without bending the end like this one, it will be sharp and it's not good. So I need to make it like that. This one is 4, and this one here is 2 centimeters. That's great. Okay, we don't have any open contours, so let's make our sheet metal. We have said it should have 150. Before we hit OK, we want to see if my sheet will go outside of the line or inside of the line. Does that make a difference? In our case, no, but sometimes you need to make sure that the direction of the sheet metal or your sheet is correct, because sometimes it causes some problems, especially with small designs. And because this one is like big design and the goal is 1000 liters, doesn't matter. Doesn't really matter. Okay. So I will keep it as it is outside of the line, and 150, 3 millimeters thick, and the bend radius. The bend radius is too small. I think that will give me incorrect flatten. So let's change it. Let's make it like 1.5. Oh no. No, 0.5, like 1.5 millimeters. Okay, that's much better. Okay, here, this is our preview, as you can see, and let's hit OK. The fillet could not be added because the specified radius would eliminate one of the elements. Who said 2? I said okay. Okay. Just got mad. Okay. So this is our first part. And let's show the main sketch because it's still important for us. And let's save it. In saving sketches or parts, I use a method. It's my method. Okay, let's make a new folder here. Let's make it main tank, and let's m.t m.t dot 1 right left. Save. And let's make an assembly. Okay, here. Okay, first of all, I think that's important. Here is main tank. And because, look, it's good to make your sketches or parts in the middle plane, because that will make your sketch symmetrical and that's easier for further processes. So let's hit OK and let's make it float. Where is float? I think it's float, or it's like exit here, make it float, and let's make an like mate. Okay, front with the front, top with the top, right with the right. Okay, that's great. So let's move it out and rotate this one, and let's, because like look, this sketch is symmetrical, it's identical, and let's hit OK, and this top plane, when they are coincident, that will be perfect. Okay, just look, it's not moving anyway. Front plane. So this is our final shape. This is our final shape, as you can see. So let's make now the housing for the ogre. Okay, let's hit new part. As we have mentioned, it is 4 inches. It will be in 4 inches pipe, like 4 inches. And because, yeah, okay, and at the full length, centimeters. I think I made something wrong. Yeah, no, I did not. This is 4 inches, this is 150 centimeters, and let's make shell command with a thickness of 1.5 millimeter. Okay, and let's make it easier. Okay, you know, I wanted at the beginning, I did not want to make it like this. Okay, that's good. Let's call it helix housing. Save. The component, main tank, helix. Okay, let's rotate it out and hit the mate. It's all lined up, and this one here with this one here. Okay, helix right plane should be with the top plane. No, not the right. front plane. Yeah, okay, that's great. So that's it for today. If you can see here, I shall have helix or an auger. I shall have an auger rotating here, and other two mixers moving here. So that's it for this episode. In the next tutorial, I'm going to make the second jacket to heat it up, because this one is used for date pressurization, so it needs to be heated up while mixing, and so we need a place where, for example, let's do a small simulation here. Okay, let's make small simulation for the double jacket, how it shall look like. For example, I make like this is the base, for example, 58.3 multiplied with 2 centimeters. And hit OK. I hit and do that. Okay, centimeters. Okay, let's open it again. It's here. 5.3 multiplied by 2. 8.3 multiplied by 2. Okay, that's great. So, I'm going to make this hit this one here, and I'm going to make it symmetrical for both sides. Okay, so let's assume that is 220 centimeters. And it should hit that. Okay, and let's mirror this one here. Okay, so look, here will be the double jacket vessel where my heaters will locate. I shall have 4 heaters, each with a power of 15